This is the version 2 of RankerX. It looks a lot better in terms of colors and designs. So this Visor and Turbo Visor belong to the version 1.3 because I asked the developer why they have two different interfaces. He mentioned that some people are used to the old version. He said in terms of ability to create websites, to create accounts, post content, they are updated the same time. But I think the new interface looks a lot more modern. You will mainly use X Wizard. So first, I will add content into my content bucket. You can name it anything you like. I just entered. I created some content with translated material from from German to English. So these two icons are still the same. Title is the file, download and upload article, upload article. Uh, these two are the same compared to version 1.3. I have this this compressed zip contains the translated articles. Strange. There's no response. Okay, let's try again. Okay. The keyword I used is New Year Resolution 2021. I am not using any spanner. So for RankerX 2.0, I think it is a very modern. These two, Wizard and Turbo Wizard, belongs to the old interface. The X Wizard is what we are going to use. The diagrams, the built-in diagrams are a lot easier to view. It's very clear here. I think it's very interesting diagrams. I found this pyramid is very interesting. The other day when I was reading the the forum, someone mentioned the pyramid. I know this one. Um, yeah, something like that. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to select a simpler diagram because I don't have that many articles. So site, I'm going to select all the site. Does it have three tiers? One, one, two, three. Okay. Yeah, indeed, got three tiers. So I'm going to select all sites. For this, you can select a certain DA. For example, you can choose DA 40 plus. Put them into a group. Here it's called a selection profile. Manually, you can select that here in this interface. Anyway, I'm going to select all the sites, links, the text. I'm not sure. Okay, so URL. I'm going to, I'll just use Google as a demonstration with different percentages. There are a lot of myths about this. Definitely, you can't put primary keywords 100%. I think it is too obvious that you are using a software to promote it. Well, I personally select like 25% or 10% branded keywords, generic keywords, also linked URL you can select. Here I will just put 100%. Maybe let's just have a test. Okay. So maybe we put this to around 50%, or you can't select because you don't have other. I'll just put a S here, branded. Suppose this is your company name. Generic keywords. I'll drag this to they don't allow you to enter a figure, but I guess it doesn't matter that much. Okay, all these 5 we add to 100. Okay, I only selected tier 1. You'll also have tier 2 and tier 3. There should be a copy section. Copy. Okay. It's fairly quick to do all these settings. I'm not sure why the tags are not copied. I'll put it here. Content. I just created some content. New year. Insert images. I already have images. Okay. So I not put anything. Accounts. When you hate to generate random information, it's going to generate random usernames. But actually you can put your keyword here so that the URL it generated will look more, will have a, how to say, have your keyword inside. These are, so you see, got these numbers. We'll just try some keyword. New year. New year LLC. Oh, I should put these into one bracket. I think there is a hype. There are tools online where you can convert the list into spin text. Because I'm just doing text. I'm not going to use the tool for this time. Okay, so I just entered 3 keywords. Okay, blog title. Here it says you can leave it empty. The title. Create new accounts. You don't need to enter a name because it's going to create a name itself. When you click on these, you will notice here this diagram is going to let you know which part of the diagram you are using. Here, this one highlighted. So that's this one in the middle, to the right, and to the left. Tier 2 must be him. What's that? What's that? Okay. Okay. Here, tier 3. So yes, this one, tier 2. Sorry, tier 3. Bookmarking 2. This one. You don't need to select any of that because it's going to create new accounts. Emails, I'm going to use RankerX emails. Manual, I'm not sure what that means. You enter an email itself. I'm going to use that for this demonstration purpose. I normally use Hotmail and some European emails. These indexers are not working anymore. So I'll just untick them. If you have found an indexer that is working, please do let me know. So schedule, just ignore that. Oh, I think you can't ignore it. Just enter time, duration, confirm, the campaign name. Wizard name is because you are using a X wizard. You can use it next time. Campaign, the name is the name you created and it will appear here on the left, in the first menu, in the first. So here, you can actually put anything. Save, it means you say if you have only entered some information you are not ready yet, you click that. But I'm going to click create campaign. So now it has jumped automatically to this campaign. This is this one, scheduled. Oh, I forgot when. Oh, okay, it's running right now. So first of all, it's going to create all the accounts according to the diagram. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sites. Is it 5? 1, 2, 5. Yeah. Oh, I think it's 6. Anyway, so it's going to create all these accounts first, then post. You can see the note here. Starting after project account creation. So these are interconnected based on the diagram. Once your account creation has completed, then it will start posting. I think the diagram indeed, uh, the interface as well is very easy to use. As soon as you have some successful accounts created, here it's going to show how many accounts being created. Let me just say, how long does it take for it to check emails? I think I entered a long, time to wait before verifying emails. I think I'll just, for this purpose, I'm going to enter it to be 3 because, 3. So scheduling active campaigns. Okay, here's campaign running. Say there are some accounts has been created successfully because the software understand because the software understand it need to check emails after 3 minutes. So we're going to click into these and you will say the emails. These emails are from RankerX. They provide that for free. Usernames and password. Campaign. I don't think it has created any backlinks yet. I have put Google there, so that's one link. Accounts is going to wait until it finishes. So now we look into the running project. Let's go back. So each of these is considered as a project. All these projects will belong to one campaign. Okay. And each project will have its own account profile. So the level is like you have a campaign which will have projects, several projects, and each project will have its own individual account profiles. So the first tab is your accounts. You can click view profile to see all these existing profiles they created for you. Emails, I've selected RankerX email. All these are great because it's running. If you want to edit anything, you have to click on stop sites. Okay. Selected sites. Because this project belongs to, I think it's a social network. Yeah. So out of about 1,000 websites, only social network has been selected under this project. So that's 117 total sites, 128. That include a lot of different types of sites. So these are different types. So even bookmarking, it has premium and regular. Premium means normally it's a higher DA or PA, whatever metrics they use. Success site, field site. I think the success rate is pretty high. I have tried SEO autopilot. It's really slow. I know there are people using it, there are people claiming that they are, well, I better reword it. That people who are saying that they are having a great result. But personally, when I use SEO autopilot, it's really slow because it's a software. It's a software based interface. You have to. It's very slow. Okay. Anyway, back here, what you can do is you can check, you can select all, unselect all, then you click on running. Here you're going to say what is going on. Say solving Google CAPTCHA, reCAPTCHA. I have just changed my Mac's browser to be 20. So this section is XEVO is solving all the reCAPTCHAs. You can say it is very reliable. I have no IP ban, and I don't need to spend any money to solve it. And the CPU is only 4%, memory 15%. I'm pretty happy with the performance. Let's go back. So one has completed. The others are running. So 9 failed, 103 successful.